Problem number 2 states, show that the equation y as a function of xt equals the log of ax plus bt squared is a solution to the wave equation. They want us to find the speed of the wave, and they also want us to determine if the equation y as a function of xt is equal to log of ax squared plus bt squared, if that's also a solution to the wave equation. So for this one, definitely helpful if you've taken calculus in the last few years, which I have not, so bear with me here. I have our equation that they've given us here, and they want us to determine if it's a solution to the wave equation. So the wave equation is right here, and we can determine if this is a solution if the second derivative with respect to t is equal to velocity squared times the second derivative with respect to x. So the first thing we want to do is take that second derivative with respect to t. So starting by taking the first derivative, we get our derivative of a log x is equal to 1 over x, so 1 over ax plus bt squared, and then multiply that by our 2 times ax plus bt squared times b, since we're taking the derivative with respect to t. And then we end up with our derivative, our first derivative equal to 2b over ax plus bt, and then taking the second derivative of that, we get negative 2b squared over ax plus bt squared. So that's going to be our first second derivative with respect to t. And now taking our derivative with respect to x for the first one, same process. So we get 2a over ax plus bt, and then taking the second derivative of that, we get negative 2a squared over ax plus bt squared. So now that we have both of our second derivatives, yeah, I'm not sure if I did this part right, but I just set them equal to each other and then solved for a velocity. So yeah, I feel like I missed a step here, but anyways, if I do that, I end up with a velocity of b over a, which, if we square it, it is in the form of our wave equation. So it does satisfy the wave equation, if I did this right, if that's what we were supposed to do. But anyways, yeah, so the speed would be b over a, and then our equation would be the second derivative with respect to t equal to our velocity squared, b squared over a squared, equal to the second derivative with respect to x. And yeah, this ties into what we're learning in chapter 16.